विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी देख अभिभावक हुए मंत्रमुग्ध। मां गुजराती हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में छात्र छात्राओं ने किया प्रतिभाग। नौपेड़वा जौनपुर बक्शा विकासखंड के चुरावनपुर गांव में स्थित मां गुजराती हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल सीबीएसई बोर्ड परिसर में रविवार को छात्र छात्राओं ने विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन कर अभिभावकों का मन मोह लिया। प्रतियोगिता में लगभग सभी कक्षा के छात्र छात्राओं ने बढ़ चढ़कर प्रतिभाग किया। विद्यालय के छात्र छात्राओं ने भारत के वैज्ञानिकों द्वारा सफलतापूर्वक लॉन्च किया गया चंद्रयान 3 का मॉडल, जल चक्र, स्मार्ट सिटी, डीएनए मॉडल, वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन, ज्वालामुखी, हृदय, किडनी, जल संरक्षण, सोलर आदि का बेहतरीन मॉडल प्रस्तुत कर अभिभावकों के सवालों का बेबाकी से जवाब दिया। मंत्रमुग्ध अतिथियों एवं अभिभावकों ने बच्चों को शाबाशी दी। इस दौरान विद्यालय प्रबंधक सूर्य प्रकाश बबलू, मुख्य अतिथि पूर्वांचल विश्वविद्यालय पत्रकारिता विभाग के प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मनोज मिश्र जी, अतिथि डॉक्टर सुरेश कुमार कनौजिया, देवराज पांडेय, गुलाबचंद यादव, रामेश यादव, मैनेजर सूर्य प्रकाश, कुंदन कुमार चौधरी, प्रधानाचार्य समता सिंह, विजय बहादुर यादव सर, M0D0 चंद्रसेन सिंह, बड़े बाबू रामबुझारत यादव, कोऑर्डिनेटर रंजन अस्थाना, अकाउंटेंट रूपा प्रजापति, अध्यापक ओम प्रकाश यादव, कृष्णा प्रसाद यादव, आशुतोष मिश्रा, वरुणेंद्र उपाध्याय, मनोज यादव, ब्रिजेंद्र तिवारी, कार्तिकेय सिंह, अरविंद यादव, राजकुमार यादव, योगेंद्र यादव, धर्मेंद्र सिंह, श्यामेंद्र, रमाशंकर विश्वकर्मा, प्रद्युम्न उपाध्याय, अमित सोनी, अध्यापिका नम्रता उपाध्याय, किरण गिरी, रीना मिश्रा, रेखा, सुनीता, सविता, रक्षा यादव सहित दर्जनों शिक्षक मौजूद रही।
विद्यार्थियों ने बड़ी लगन से, बड़ी मेहनत से और इसको बहुत बढ़िया व्याख्या भी कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे देख के बड़ी खुशी हुई कि बच्चों में विज्ञान को लेकर बड़ी जागरूकता है और हम सबकी शुभकामनाएं हैं। देखिए छोटा बच्चा अभी बहुत सुंदर इसने एक्सप्लेन किया। ये जो है ये नए दौर के विद्यार्थी हैं जिनको सूचना की शक्ति को समझते हैं और सारी इंफॉर्मेशन उनके पास है। मेरी मंगलमय कामना है।
Sir, my name is Partha. I study in class 7th. It is a hydraulic arm. A hydraulic arm is a mechanical device that used to liquid pressure to create a movement, and it's lift the object. George Dior make it in 1961 in US. Its work, the system operates based on a Pascal law, which used that pressure transmitted in equally all direction. It's when you push a plunger like a cylinder, it creates pressure in a fluid. It is.
बोलो बस यही बोलो, there are 3 seasons.
Welcome to my school campus. Myself Surabhi Yadav, studying class 3rd. This is my project, sir. Hospital. May I tell you about hospital? Hospital is very important place for us and everyone. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital. Sick people go to hospital. This is a hospital. It's also hospital. This is the ambulance. And there's our cars. And this is free. Myself Surabhi Yadav, studying class 3rd. This is my project, sir. Hospital. May I tell you about hospital? Hospital is very important place for us and everyone. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital. Sick people go to hospital for the treatment. The sweeper skips the hospital clean. We go to hospital when we are sick. They give the medicines on time. Hospital opens all day and night. There are many beds in a hospital.
Planet in our solar system, the sun is at the center. Planet revolves around the path of the planet. So this is Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth, this is Mars, this is Jupiter. Jupiter is the very biggest planet. This is Uranus. So this is Saturn. That is Neptune. Neptune is a very cold planet. Thank you, sir.
क्या बनाए हो? हाउस किस प्रकार बनाए हो? घर क्या बनाए हो? घर में क्या क्या है आपके? हाउस में नल बिल्कुल है?
Rambo. Good morning, sir. Welcome to my school campus. My name is Manvi Yadav. I study in class 3rd. This is my project, sir. Rambo. May I tell you about Rambo? Rambo is a very beautiful. It comes after the sunlight makes a rainbow. It has 7 colors. The color look bright. Thank you for visiting my school campus. Indradhanush.
Sir, microscope is an instrument which is used to magnify an object
are samples that are too small and to be not seen by clear naked eyes. Working model of microscope. Sir, please on there. Sir, it magnifies the leaf and show the stomata of the leaf. Sir, in this model, we use the convex lens because convex lens making rays into a point and magnify it. And there is no concave lens because concave lens also known as divergent.
Hello sir, my name is Sumaira. I study in class 2nd. Look at my amazing water cycle model. It's all thanks to the water cycle. Hello sir, my name is Sumaira. I study in class 2nd. Look at my amazing water cycle model. It's all thanks to the water cycle. Earth's amazing water recycling system. Continuous movement of water down to up in air atmosphere is called water cycle.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to my school campus. My name is Vishnu Yadav. I study in class.
में क्या चीज कैसे बनाया, किस प्रकार बना, पैसे कैसे निकाले, बताओ। ये बताओ क्या संदेश दे रहा है?
Sir, good morning, sir. It give me great pleasure and welcome to our science exhibition. Myself, Astha Yadav. I read in class 4th, and my topic is a types of millet. Types of millet are major food resources, acid or semi-acid of the region, and millet gain a small seeded gas annual warm weather and grown widely grown around the world. And in plant small seeded growing to a weight about 1.8 to 4.5 inches. And in India, the plants take place between May, February and September. Let's come in rice. Rice is everyone's favorite. It is a yummy and it is it come in different shape and size and color. And rice is a soft and easy to chew. We like plain rice to little top of the butter. Each spoonful make me happy and feel. So you have an.
It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you in science exhibition. Myself, Sambhavi Singh from class 4A. Today I am going to tell about types of teeth. My topic name is types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth in upper and lower jaw. These are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. There are 32 teeth in adult human body. Special teeth erupt at the some time. Let's know about types of teeth. Incisor. Incisor are the sharpest teeth. They chin like sharp. They cut and bite food, shovel it inward. They are also called cutting teeth. Each jaw has 4 incisor. The function of incisor are cutting the food. Canine. Canine are sharp teeth. It present each side of the incisor. They are also called tearing teeth. Each jaw has 2 canine. The function of canine are tearing food. Sir, you have any question? Thank to my project. Have a nice day, sir.
Good morning, sir. And this is the excretory system. Explain. Good morning, sir. My name is Rosie Banu. I study in class 4th. This is excretory system. What is excretory system? Excretory system remove waste product our body. Kidney are the main organ of the excretory system. It helps keep our body clean and healthy. Organ our body. This is heart. The heart is important organ our body. It is a muscular organ. Its size and shape is almost like a human closed fist. It supplies oxygen and nutrient. It works to pump our blood. It is approximately 2,300 gram. It has 4 chambers. The human heart beat in 1 minute per 70-80 times. This is located in left side our body, left side our chest. It is a muscle. This is the left atrium, and this is the left ventricle, and
This is a right. This is a right atrial. ये क्या है भाई, इधर से दिख ही नहीं रहा. This is right ventricle and this is क्या भाई.
Good morning, sir, and welcome in our school. My name is class 7th A, and I am making this project. This is a Titanic, and it was built by the Irish ships builder Thomas Andrew and contracted by the Harlands Wolff for the White Star Lines. And it dominated the place to an luxurious feels and size compared to the competitor, and she says about them.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ananya Shukla. I am reading class 7th. This is Titanic. Titanic had two sisters, RMS and HMS, full form of RMS, Royal Mail Ship, and full form of HMS, His Majesty Hospital Ship. It was completed in 31 March 1912. It is launched in 31 March 1911. On the night of 14 April 1912, passenger RMS Titanic had approximately 2,200 people or crew were on board. It took 73
Morning, sir. My name is Mahak Yadav from class 7A. My project is water management. Water management is saving water or using wastewater. Water management is strategic planning, development, distribution, and regulation to balance human needs. There are only 0.01% water is available us to use. Sir, I have saw there the water. First of all, we will use the water as for washing hands. Then the wastewater will use for flushing the toilets, and the wastewater of RO will use for agriculture and farms. There I have saw water harvesting. The rainwater will use for washing cars and bikes. After that, the remaining water will use for agriculture and all. It is used in saving water. Water is very essential for our life. So we do not waste water. We have to use our water by very clearly. Thank you, sir.
Chandrayaan 3. Good morning, sir. So my project is Chandrayaan 3. So Chandrayaan 3 is Indian Moon Mission. It was launched by Sri Harikota. So the launch date is 14 July 2023, and it is successfully landed South Pole of the Moon at 5 o'clock 23 August 2023. So India became the first country whose landed South Pole of the Moon. So thank you. Lander. So lander is a machine which land moon. And it is rover. So rover is a machine robot which do research on the moon.
My name is Varsha Shukla, and this is project algebraic formula. An algebraic formula is mathematically users and constants variables.
to explain algebraic formula like a plus b square, a minus b square, and a square minus b square, etc. It helps student understand how variable and number work together. It is useful for student in classroom learning and math practical. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Ritika Yadav. I am from class 9th A. Today we are here to explain our science model on water power car. Our project shows that how water can be used as a source of energy without using petrol, diesel, or electricity. And that is work, and this property is it is completely waterproof body and eco-friendly, help the environment, and less noise pollution. This is a future technology, and our project is proof that water is not only life but also power.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school campus. This is rainwater harvesting. My name is Ladunisa. I am studying class 6th. Rainwater harvesting is the only one method of collecting rainwater. Rainwater harvesting means collecting and storing rainwater for future. It is save water. We can collect rainwater, rooftop and straw. This is rooftop and straw. We can use this water for drinking and carboning and gardening after proper treatment. Thank you, sir. So, sir, first take rainwater and do filter and storing rainwater and using gardening, planting and washing car, many things, sir.
Global warming. Global warming is not a national but a global problem. Global warming is harmful to living organisms. It also affects the balance of ecosystem. Greenhouse gas are responsible for global warming. Deforestation and substances matter are play their in parts. And that things ये सूखा टाइप का है, ये है सूखा टाइप का एंड ग्रीन हाउस गैस आर डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड मैटर्स थिंग्स एंड ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस आर जस्ट फॉर अस एंड ऑल थिंग्स दे आर thinking they are sunlight taken mountain things and all things matters. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school campus. My name is Presi Yadav, studying class 6A. Today I am going to tell you about digestion system. A digestion system is process of breaking down of food into simplest form of the substance is known as digestion system. There is a mouth. A mouth chews the food is known as mouth, and there is a food pipe. A food pipe carries the food to the stomach. It is known as food pipe. And second thing is stomach. A stomach is a muscular bag. It makes food. It makes juices in a digestive juices. There is a esophagus, liver, stomach, in gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum and anus. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to my school campus. My name is Ansika Jaswar. I study in class 6th. This is a digestive system. This is a esophagus. This is a liver. This is a stomach. This is a large intestine, and this is a small intestine. It is a work to the injection. This is a blood pressure. The gallbladder is the sir. This is a blood pressure. Thank you, sir, for watching.
Good morning, sir. This is my project. My project is carbon purification. I make this project to remove impurities from carbon to make it pure and useful. Sir, this is work to improve impurities from this project and this like this. Carbon purification is very important because it is used in many industries and daily life. Carbon is a non-metal element. It is found in different forms such as like coal, charcoal and diamonds. Natural carbon like to coal such as dust and unwanted surfaces. Pure carbon is give better result. Sir, this is use only air and water. Sir, this is my project. Thank you.
Sir, welcome to my school campus. Myself, Aradhya Upadhyay from class 6th. I am made this disaster management. A disaster management means planning and working together to reduce the damage caused by disasters and to save many lives. A disaster is a sudden event that causes damage to people, homes and nature. Disasters can be of two types, natural and man-made disasters. Natural disasters include earthquake, floods, cyclones and droughts. And man-made disasters include like fires, accidents and chemical leaks. In conclusion, disasters are dangerous, but with proper planning and awareness, we can save many lives. And thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome in my school campus. I am Shreyans Kumar from class 6. I work on a blind stick. The blind stick is a device that helps visually blind people to understand their surroundings. It works like this. When any object comes forward to ultrasonic sensor, then it gives signal to Arduino. Then Arduino connection with buzzer. Then buzzer will ring. It works like this. When my hand go to ultrasonic sensor, then it will ring like this. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Avi Pandey. Welcome to our school campus. This is my project. Vacuum cleaner. Take a vacuum cleaner and sprinkle small pieces of paper on the floor. Turn on the vacuum cleaner. Move it over the paper. Observe how the paper is rugged. Observe how the paper is rugged. Observe how the paper rugged up by the vacuum. The vacuum cleaner clean the efficiently. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir. My project is solar wind and hydropower. This is solar wind. This is wind energy. This is hydro energy. Solar energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. It is renewable source of energy. It is also pollution free. This is wind energy. Wind energy is what a cause of energy. The cause of the wind energy is a.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vaishnavi Mishra. I study in class 7th. My project name is biodiversity. Biodiversity or biological diversity refers to the wide variety of living organisms found on Earth. It includes all forms of life such as plants, animals, microorganisms, and human beings along with the ecosystem and natural habitat. Biodiversity means variety of living organisms present on Earth. It plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance and also support life by providing minerals, clean air, medicine, and natural resources. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity. Variation in genes within the same species is called genetic diversity. Example: different variety of rice, wheat, and dog, etc. Species diversity. Variation in species within a particular area is called species diversity. Example: lion, deer, tiger, etc. Ecosystem diversity. Variety of ecosystem present on Earth is called ecosystem diversity. Example: plants, forest, grassland, etc. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
The systematic collection of transportation and processing, recycling of the disposal of the waste material to minimize environmental and health effect. It covers the entire life cycle of the waste, aiming to reduce landfall and uses by treating, processing, and recycle of the waste material. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is our project types of angle. Two rays having same endpoint is called angle. There are six types of angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle, complete angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle and right angle. An angle whose measure is exact 90 degree is called right angle and obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle and straight angle. An angle whose measure is exact 180 degree is called straight angle and reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle and complete angle. An angle whose measure is exact 360 degree is called complete angle. Thank you.
So this is my project climate change. Climate change means long-term changes in Earth's weather and temperature. It is one of the biggest problems our world is facing today. One major effect of climate change is melting of glaciers. Because of melting of glaciers, sea level rises, cause flood and drought. Cutting of trees, also known as deforestation, is another serious cause. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. When we cut down trees, the carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere. So we should plant more trees, means afforestation. There is another use. We use so much chemical fertilizers in our crops. We should use the natural fertilizers like compost and manure. They are safer options for the soil and water fertility. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is solar system. Solar system is the collection of our bodies in the sun. This is Earth. We are living here. The planet of 8 parts is the around Earth. It has 2 parts, but not around Earth's bit.
Myself Rohit Pandey. I am student of class 8th. My project name is hydroelectric dam. The product produced by vibration and electric current generate, and this vehicle presses act form 20,000 generate current electric and world supply of the world 11,000 and this for
water forcing at Bukaswan. I study in class 8th.
My project name is hydroelectric dam. Water forcing a turbine. Turbine are rotate and electricity produce. And this is windmill. Windmill are also turbine and rotate electricity generate. And this is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity means a Gharsad Bal. India's largest dam, Tieri Dam, and Tieri Dam located at Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. And largest dam is the China Three Gorges Dam. Three Gorges Dam. And this.
Sir, welcome to Science Exhibition. This is my project. My name is Kanish Chauhan. I study class 7th. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. This is the smoking factory, and pollution is the contaminant, environment, harming, living, burning. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Vertical emission, industry gases, vegetable fuel, cases, dissection, aquatic life, affect human drinking water, and morning home contaminate soil and water, affect human health, huge us protection, reduction, festival, land, music, proper many fans. Thank you, sir.
The blood is a muscular organ. It is a 4 chambers.
The heart is a pumps blood to whole body. It is a muscular organ. It has 4 chambers, and the heart is a nutrition and oxygen. The heart is a portion and blood circulation. The heart is a red. It is a one and chest for alto का मतलब है alto is the entry in the body.
Good morning, sir. My name is Arshi Yadav. I study in class 7A. My project is river flow alarm system. It detects water level and rising the water level. How it is work? A water sensor placed in the river. When a water level touch the trigger, when the water level rises and touch the trigger, it trigger an Arduino board. A Wheatstone bridge is an electric circuit which is used to measure unknown resistance by balancing 2 legs of a bridge circuit. It's a simple yet accurate way to measure unknown resistance. How it's a work? Wheatstone bridge consists of 4 resistors R1, R2, R3 and Rx connected in a dimension of voltage shows it apply across 2 opposite corners and a galvanometer ammeter 2 corners. A Wheatstone bridge is a precise electronic circuit that is a measure of unknown resistance by balancing 2 legs of a bridge using 4 resistors in a quadrilateral. It works by adjusting a known resistance until a galvanometer and it formula is Rx is equal to R3 multiple in bracket में R2 and R1. Thank you, sir.
My topic is a human elevation. सर ड्रायोफिथिकस है जो रमापपी थेकस वर्म मानव से हुआ था इनका जन्म, जो एक चिंपांजी जैसे थे और इनके शरीर पे घने बाल थे। उसके बाद रमाफिथिकस आए थे जो एक मनुष्य जैसे दिखते थे और सीधे खड़े होते नहीं थे। और ऑस्ट्रेलोपिथेकस नामक वैज्ञानिक आए थे, इनका मासिक आयतन 900 सीसी था। फिर उसके बाद होमो होल्डियस नामक वैज्ञानिक आए थे जो इनका मासिक आयतन 800 से 850 सीसी था। जो होमो इरेक्टस थे, अग्नि का प्रयोग किए थे, इसका आयतन 900 सीसी था। वर्तमान में होमो सैपियंस है जो इनका मासिक आयतन 1450 है और इनमें 3 प्रकार की उपजातियां पाई जाती है। थैंक यू सर।
Hello sir, good morning. Please see my project. My project is a India crop production in various states. India is a largest जैसे कि हर एक जगह पे all Indians is many thing is coming. जैसे example UP is wheat and Ladakh कड़ी पत्ता and many things is here. And where you stand, this is a UP, and UP is the most grow of wheat, and Punjab and Haryana are
India food bowl. Thank you, sir.
न्यूक्लिक एसिड ये जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन इंक्रीज करता है और शेप ऑफ डीएनए इसमें डबल हेलिक्स होता है। इसकी और इसकी मतलब बीच की दूरी 3.7 एंगस्ट्रॉन होती है और इसकी दूरी 34 एंगस्ट्रॉन होती है।
क्या उदाहरण आप दे रहे हैं? क्या
ये जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन इंक्रीज करता है।
This is my human heart project, and the human heart is very important organ in our body. This work supplies oxygen and nutrients in whole body, and waste materials remove. This deoxygenated blood converts aorta and right ventricles के बाद पल्मरी आर्टरी में जाता है और पल्मरी आर्टरी के बाद ये ऑक्सीडेटेड ब्लड में कन्वर्ट होकर के होल बॉडी में जाता है। ठीक है सर, और ये भी यही काम करता है सुपर वेना के पास ये पहले ले जाके राइट वेंट्रिकल्स में जाएगा, राइट वेंट्रिकल के बाद जाता है फिर पल्मरी वेंट्रिकल, फिर पल्मरी वेंट्रिकल्स के बाद ये ऑक्सीडेटेड ब्लड में कन्वर्ट होगा, फिर उसके बाद होल बॉडी में ये जाता है। थैंक यू सर।
Good morning, sir. My name is Princess Lisa. I am from class 7th A. So my project name is RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. It is a messenger like in our body that carries genetic information from DNA and make protein in our body.
Sir, my name is Sneha Yadav. I study in class 7th A. My topic is RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. It's like a messenger in our cells that carry genetic instructions from make health proteins. RNA have main function carry genetic instructions from gene instruction and helps make proteins. DNA to ribosomes genetic inform. RNA ribonucleic acid and DNA deoxyribonucleic acid both are nucleic acid but they different in. RNA has a single stranded and DNA is double stranded.
Good morning, sir. My name is Karthik Yadav from class 6th A. Welcome to my school campus. This is my project, water management. Water management is the proper use, storage and conservation of water to avoid wastage and shortage. It is important because fresh water is limited and needed for drinking, farming, industries and daily life.
Respected visitor, my project name is RGB additive color mixing of light. There are three colors placed at a 110 degree, which are red, green and blue. As you can see, the whole lights are combining and forming their white color. If I place a piece of cardboard with a shield, like that, the all color are behind that. You can see there all color are separated. If I place a piece of cardboard here, you can see the three colors are formed: crayon, purple and magenta. If I make the crayon color pass out the shield, you can see the red color is disappeared from behind. If I make the purple one, the green color of that is behind, disappeared. If I pass out the green one, the blue color is disappeared. They are all corresponding color of that. I make this project to demonstrate that how in our mobile the three colors are placed in the form of pixel and forming all different colors. What is the project name? Sir, this project is titled as RGB additive color mixing of light. RGB full form red, green and blue.
It is the connected everyone. One to other.
How to work this? How it works?
How to work this?
Good morning, sir. Myself Dibyan Jaswal. I am studying class 8A. This is a plant cell. The group of cell is called cell organelles. This is main function to nucleus. Nucleus means give a order to any work. And second main function to mitochondria. Mitochondria means give any work for do. It is a form of ATP, anodized thorifides. ATP and mitochondria to stress of give energy for do. And liposomes, main function to liposomes clean enzymes waste disposals like enzymes and clean out our cells. And main function to stacks called parallel to each other is called stacks. Stacks means modify packagings and storage of food of proteins and lipids. And endoplasmic reticulum make a proteins and lipids to for do any endoplasmic reticulum to make up proteins and lipids, and plasma membrane are made of proteins and lipids. Lipids are made of smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum, and protein made of rough surface endoplasmic reticulum. Our main surface to nucleus and nuclide. Nucleus contains the DNA material called DNA deoxyribonucleic nucleic acid. And is a chloroplast. Chloroplast means give a color of plant leaf or make a food, and this is a plastid is a part of plants. Thank you, sir.
इसमें हमने पहले एक केमिकल कार्बाइड लिया है। जब कार्बाइड और वाटर जब रिएक्ट करेंगे तो एक गैस फॉर्म होगा। उस गैस का नाम है एथिलीन। वो गैस एक मतलब थोड़ा तेज आवाज प्रोड्यूस करेगा। वो अभी हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। जैसे इन मतलब गांव में हमारे जो फार्मर्स है, जो खेत में जैसे कुछ पालतू से नीलगाय हो गया है और सब जानवर हो गए, इस हमारे फसल को बर्बाद कर देते हैं। तो ये क्या है, ये थोड़ा तेज आवाज प्रोड्यूस करेगा जिससे वो भाग सकते हैं, जिससे हमारा फसल बच सकता है।
Painting this is called. This is made of thermocol, and after this I have coated the plaster of Paris, and this paint whatever I have done, this is called terracotta painting. ये पहले हमारे घरों में यूज होता था जब दीवारें मड की बनती थी, और ये सबसे खास बात इस पेंटिंग की ये है कि ये पोल्यूशन फ्री पेंट है। थैंक यू। दिस इज मेड ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर, art and craft, and I have used black and white to give this colorful look. Thank you. Art and craft work. This is also art and craft work, and there are doll painting and all I have made. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
छुट्टी है, विद्यार्थियों ने बड़ी लगन से।
मैं चंदन निगम, मैं माँ गुजराती विद्यालय में आया हूँ। यहाँ पे बच्चों का एग्जीबिशन हो रहा है। बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट इन लोगों ने बनाया है। देखने के लिए एक से एक बढ़ के प्रोजेक्ट इन्होंने बनाया है। मून वाटर साइकिल, यूकैरियोटिक सेल, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल, प्लांट्स, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम, जो कि देखने में बहुत ही अच्छा है और बच्चों ने काफ़ी अच्छा यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहे हैं। इससे ये लग रहा है कि यहाँ का विद्यालय का माहौल बहुत ही सुंदर है और काफ़ी अच्छे ढंग से यहाँ पे पढ़ाई हो रही है। बच्चे समझ रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल के माध्यम से भी पढ़ रहे हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा विद्यालय है ये।
काम किया गया, इसके बारे में आप विद्यालय में आते हैं, इस बात यहाँ लड़की के द्वारा साइंटिस्ट काम किया गया, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
इस द साइंस एग्जीबिशन का यहाँ पे जो प्रोजेक्ट आया है बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, और ये हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को बहुत ही और बच्चे के साइकोलॉजी को चेंज करता है, जो इनको एक बढ़ावा देता है कि हम अपने इन्वायरमेंट में क्या करते हैं। और दूसरी चीज, हमारे एरियाज में जो गाँव के शैक्षिक संस्थान है, अभी तक किसी ने भी इस उत्थान को प्रगति पे नहीं लाया, और यहाँ पे बच्चों को ज्ञान के साथ साथ हमारे अभिभावक को भी ज्ञान देना, ये सबसे बड़ी प्रभावशील इस क्षेत्र में प्रभावशीलता का अथाह प्रयास है, जिससे बच्चे एक अथक प्रयास के थ्रू आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और आगे ही नहीं एक दूसरे के ज्ञान को प्रदर्शित भी कर रहे हैं और ज्ञान को ले भी रहे हैं। तो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है ये। तो इसके साथ ही हमको भी अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि हम भी एक गार्जियन है, हमारा बच्चा भी आके यहाँ पे इस प्रोजेक्ट को दे रहा है, और यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, साइंस और हमारे जो देश के संस्थान मेक इन इंडिया का जो चल रहा है, हमारी स्वदेशी चीजें, सारी चीजों को देखा जा रहा है, उस पे प्रबल तरीके से काम भी किया जा रहा है, और बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, और बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल के टीचर का प्रबंधन है, जो हमारे लोगों को इस तरीके से प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है और आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है। धीरज कुमार उपाध्याय, मेरा नाम धीरज कुमार उपाध्याय, और गाँव चुरावनपुर बक्सा है, और मैं इस समय सिकारा यूनियन बैंक में हूँ, सूरी लाइफ से।
नाम क्या मैम आपका?
आई एम समता सिंह, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ माँ गुजराती हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल।
आज आपके विद्यालय में बच्चे के द्वारा यहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग कला दिखाई जा रही है, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
Sir, actually, you know, they are not a child. They are we can say that they are creative. And what they have, what are in their mind, they all have given a structure to those things what they have prepared. ऐसे हमारे बच्चों ने अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को एक रूप दे करके लोगों को इसके माध्यम से एक संदेश भी देने की कोशिश की है कि कैसे हम वाटर प्यूरिफाई कर रहे हैं, कैसे हम बिजली को सेव कर रहे हैं, इधर बच्चों ने क्या कहता है, बच्चों ने बनाया हुआ है स्किल, अपने क्राफ्ट को दिखाया हुआ, जिसमें उन्होंने दिखाया पोल्यूशन प्रूफ पेंटिंग, जो हम आज से कई सौ साल पहले यूज करते थे, टेरा कोटिंग पेंटिंग। एंड देयर स्टूडेंट हैव मेड द ब्लाइंड स्टिक, गन, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, means in all fields, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, you can see all subject project here what our students have prepared. And my main motive behind this is that what they are thinking, हाँ, ये सिर्फ उनके दिमाग में ना रह जाए, वो जो सोच रहे हैं उसको इम्प्लीमेंट में डालने के लिए उसको एक रूप देना बहुत जरूरी था, जो इन बच्चों ने उसको कर दिखाया। और ये उन्होंने सिर्फ बनाया नहीं, दे हैव नॉट ओनली प्रिपेयर, they are giving the answer of all students, all parents, whatever they are asking, they know very well about their project.
यहाँ पे मैंने अभी आप घूमते हुए गन बनाए थे, जो अभी आपने नाम लिए, तो क्या विद्यालय में ऐसे बच्चों को गन बना रहे हैं, आगे चल के क्या गलत कदम न उठा ले?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली देखिए, सिर्फ बनाना और चलाना ही एक चीज नहीं होती है। मेरे ख्याल से जब उस बच्चे ने बनाया, उसने जब हम लोग को बताया कि मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ, देखिए हर चीज के पीछे साइंस है, उस चीज के पीछे क्या साइंस है बच्चों को वो तो बताना जरूरी है ना सर। और फिर हमने इसके बारे में उसको बताया भी कि वेयर वी शुड यूज दीज थिंग्स। सो सेफ्टी बेसिस को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने उसको ये करने का ऑर्डर दिया।
और एक बच्चे ने जो वेस्टल होता है, खाने का बर्तन होता है, उस बच्चे को मट्टी के डिजाइन ने दिए, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
हाँ सर, वो बच्ची क्या कहता है, एक्चुअली वो साइंस से हटकर स्ट्रीम में कुछ बनाना चाहती थी। उसने कहा कि मैम जो घर में चीजें होती, वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, मैं उससे कुछ बनाना चाहती हूँ। मैंने कहा ठीक है, गिव structure to your project. So she has prepared after the plaster of Paris, and by this he is showing that what we are using in our ancient time, terracotta painting, and that is also useful. And the benefit of that painting is that this is a pollution free painting, okay, and its look also good like this plastic painting, and we can also use this painting at home also to make it more beautiful.
वहाँ पे बनाया था कि इंडिया का अनाज के बारे में संदेश दिया, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
हाँ, बच्चों को देखिए, अपने क्या कहता है, हम जैसे इंडिया फार्मिंग के लिए जाना जाता है, फार्मर्स के लिए फेमस है। सो हमें ये भी दिखाना था बच्चों को, अपने क्या कहता है सोसाइटी को दिखाना था इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ग्रेन, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फार्मिंग एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फार्मर। सो बाय दिस दे आर शोइंग दिस एंड मेक अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फार्मर्स इन आवर लाइफ एंड फॉर इन आवर कंट्री।
यहाँ विद्यालय में सबसे ज्यादा हृदय और बच्चे का मेडिसिन का ज्यादा प्रभाव है, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
सॉरी सर,
मेडिकल के बारे में ज्यादा बच्चे यहाँ पे इस बार संदेश दिए हैं, इसके बारे में क्या कहना?
सर देखिए,
इसके बारे में दिए हैं, एक पर्यावरण के बारे में बहुत अच्छा संदेश दिए हैं।
both are very important and both are based on each other. See, if environment will be good and it will be healthy, then then medicine will be reduced, and we have a good knowledge of medical science also, and अगर हमें उसकी नॉलेज अच्छे से नहीं होगी तो फिर हम गलत दवाइयाँ, गलत डॉक्टर्स के पास जाएंगे, हम उनसे और हमारा जो इलाज होगा, जो उनका क्योर होगा, वो अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा। So for these things also students have prepared those all things.